welcome back to my channel. I am Sumaira Anjum, studying first year diploma in Hindu College of Engineering and Technology, and this video is all about a day in my life vlog. I hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So today is the second Saturday and we have got a holiday, but you know what? It's a day of Science Expo in our school, and I was very curious to see the projects of Oxfordians. So I just woke up in the morning and read the daily morning routine, and I also completed some of my assignment work and got ready to go to school. And I reached there around 12:30. You know, when we were in school, Science Expo used to be like a big occasion, and we used to prepare for that for like 1 to 2 weeks. It would be a so memorable event. So I was really excited, and as usually the Science Expo was really good. I really enjoyed it. So Bakika, you just watch the vlog.
It was at this moment that he knew.
The air passes through air passes through lungs and passes through fat excess. also known as spine, spinal cord and backbone. It is flexible and human can move, bend down, move left or right.
So that was about Science Expo. Many interesting projects were displayed by the students. We also saw innovative projects like related to artificial intelligence and robotics, and also the students were very keen in learning these new technologies. I also saw that some students created websites and they were writing many programs and they were explaining us how it actually works. So I felt it very nice that they have that interest of learning the new technologies and they are trying to spread that knowledge to others. So after coming home, I completed my college works, homeworks, and I studied for a while, and that's how my day was ended. And also, everyone is busy in exams, so let me know in the comments ki how your exams are going on. I know ki 10th class exams are also coming really soon, so all the best to everyone out there. Don't stop learning, prepare well for your exams, and I know that everybody is capable of doing great wonders. So I just want to tell you all the best for your exams, and if you want any tips and tricks, I will definitely share with you all. So stay connected with my YouTube channel. You can comment down and ask for any doubts if you want. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.